Hey, I'm James with P&W Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews, and today I'm talking about the Vigilant Trails Ultralight Sewing Kit. Having a repair kit like this is an absolute must, no matter what type of kit you have, whatever type of, no matter what you're doing, you know, from backpacking to just putting together a survival kit. This is essential. This is an essential piece of gear because, you know, say if your tent, get a big hole in your tent, how are you going to fix it? You know, you don't want all that cold air rushing in every night. I mean, that potentially can mean the difference between life and death. Okay, so having something, like I said, like this, you have to have it. Now, the great thing about this little kit, that's why I really love this kit, because, you know, first off, you can see super high visibility. You won't lose it. Lightweight. This thing stuffed with all of its gear inside, 3 ounces. So hardly weighs a thing, and it's super small. You can hide this in your pocket or any one of those pockets in your backpack, so it won't, you know, take away from any of your essential cargo space, because this is essential. And yeah, first off, what I really like, so they add this little extension here to the zipper, so if you're wearing your gloves, you know, in a winter situation, it's really easy to get a hold of it and to open it. So again, super simple kit, but it's got a lot of good stuff in it. So you got an all brass, heavy duty all. I'll just kind of pull every item out to show you. So yes, boom. And let's see, so you got also a long-eyed sewing needle as well. So that's brilliant, because let's say, especially if your hands are cold and you're trying to thread a needle, this will help tremendously to be able to have, like I said, a long-eyed needle. That really helps. So you have both, you have cotton thread, both black and white threads in here. And then you have a heavy duty wax thread, waxed thread as well. Got safety pins. You got multiple different types of colors of buttons. So you got white, brown, and black buttons included. And then this, I think this, again, this is a must-have item. So depending on what you're using, but these are the TPU gear patches. So if you had like an inflatable raft, something like that, here you go. You just put this right on the puncture and you're good to go. So I mean, it's something that I don't think a lot of people think enough about, you know, especially if you have a small inflatable raft that you're using across lakes or whatever it may be. You need to have some way to repair that, or you're kind of out of luck for the rest of that trip. Let's see here. Got your seam ripper, and you got foldable scissors as well. If I could open those, there we go. So a lot of, and that's it. I mean, that's all that's included in there. But still, that's the essential gear that you need to, you know, whether it's a shirt or a tent, your raft, it really does cover all the bases. So again, super simple kit, simple review, but you know, for like $20, you can't beat this. You really can't. However you want to go about it, whether it's this kit or you make your own kit, I mean, I can't recommend this enough. And I think this is an item that's overlooked. But I'd say this Vigilant Trails, I much respect and a huge shout out for putting together just a simple, but yet everything for the most part that you need to put together in your kit. So I'll leave a link to their website if you're interested in purchasing this one. But guys, thank you so much for checking out the review. It means the world to me. I can't thank you enough for, you know, how much support you guys show the channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.